Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to add all flights to Flightly. Now if you want to add all flights to Flightly but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to add the all flights to Flightly, make sure that you have installed the Flightly app on a device. So if you have not, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you need to launch the Flightly app and make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So from here you will see the various options on the very center of the screen like my flight and all of it. So if you click on the search button and if you scroll down, so if you click on the profile icon of yours and if you scroll down, here you will see the option of flight. So from here you need to enter the details of your all flights, such as the flight number, from the day traveled from and where you have traveled to, the airlines and the flight number and all of it. So you need to enter here and you need to confirm the flight. So once you enter the flight information, you need to click on the option of track flight, and this will add the flight to your Flightly dashboard. And you can view the past flights within the Flightly app if it was a while ago, but if it wasn't for a while ago, then you won't be able to see it fully, but you can add manually on your Flightly app. So by doing all of it, you will be able to add the past flights or the old flights on Flightly app. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.